Are you ready?
Hold on. Chris, what are you doing with that?
I am about to cock this and then put a round in the chamber.
Okay. Have at it.
Okay, we're ready. Ready?
Yes. Oh! Shit.
Here.
Shall we see what the damage
Yeah,
is?
let's see what the damage is. Here.
Oh, there's fucking
Let me
smoke everywhere.
Holster this.
Can't see anything.
That's the only thing I don't like about this gun is it doesn't have a safety.
Neither does mine. Oh, man. There's the front part of the microwave. Oh, shit. Okay.
I think I broke it so much I can't open it anymore. Oh my.
Damn. It went through that. I mean, that's just like glass, whatever. Well, it went through that part of the microwave and then went all the way through the back. There's the exit wound.
Oh.
Damn.
Those are FMJs too. That wasn't hollow point.
Okay, let's see what the hollow points
Okay.
do. I have some hollow points in mine.
Alright, I'll video
Mine's
record
40,
then.
but just keep it going. It's recording now. Alright.
Well, Dan, what do you have to say for yourself?
Fucking microwave was... It would go off in the middle of the night. It would just start beeping like crazy, so...
So it deserves every piece of lead it gets.
Yeah, this isn't just some random kid shooting a piece of machine in the
Some
middle.
office space.
No, it deserves it. This is karma for the microwave.
Well, let's get it done.
Alright. Ooh. That's it. That's 5 or 6 rounds.
Got some nice muzzle flash with that one.
Yeah, this is pretty big too. Alright, yeah. Can't tell which ones are mine.
Smaller ones. I think you may have went through one of mine.
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh, shit. That's pretty badass. It slid through the side like that.
Here, tilt it back. Tilt it back so we can get, like, the top. Is there any debris at the top?
No.
All right.
That's pretty much it. I mean, damn. I kind of ripped through the side.
Yeah, it was like tumbling.
Did you hear something?
I think it was the road. Did they penetrate all the way through?
Yeah.
All right. Here. Here, let's get some of the electronics involved. Let's turn it sideways and get this.
Yeah. Turn it sideways. Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Oh, you got it loaded already?
Yeah, I still have rounds left over.
All right. Damn, yours knocks it over. Yours has so much stopping power. Oh.
Okay, let's put a 45 hollow point through it.
You want to try a hollow point on
Yeah.
this side?
Well, you want this side or the other side?
Yeah, to do a fresh side right there. Alright, I'm going to stop this video.